Pardon me for dating myself, but I clearly remember a time when a half dozen assorted styles of footwear were all you'd really need to see you through a season. However, Pandora's shoebox was opened a few years back, awakening the Imelda Marcos in many of us. Some shoes are just so beautifully designed that I think of them as objets d'art, aesthetically pleasing design collectibles that often offer more inspiration than practicality. Now, there's no question that total comfort reigned supreme during the COVID years, when dressy shoes were replaced with low-key sneakers, slippers, and flip-flops. But now that life as we knew it has basically resumed, we're really eager to finally let our feet take the spotlight. And so statement footwear has never been more celebrated. The great news is that anything goes this season, and we're seeing a huge return to some fabulous tried and true trends from seasons past. Mega platforms are back big time. Whether they feature thicker, more stable heels or spindly spikes, there's a kind of empowering sexiness to platforms. Just don't try running down the block in them. Of course, when it comes to outlandish colors, the style quotient is definitely being pumped up a few notches. Statement loafers with lug soles are an absolute must this season. They're super comfy and scream style, whether you're wearing them with jeans and pants or skirts and dresses. And for those who crave a funky combat boot again, the kind of footwear that looks great with jeans or skirts and dresses, there are all kinds of cool styles to choose from. But as much as color has come on strong in footwear this season, white shoes or boots are the ultimate wow. They make for an incredibly chic and strong statement, both spirited and youthful. And don't forget the classic appeal of animal prints to help you walk on the wild side. Still talking boots, thigh-high and over-the-knee boots continue to make our hearts beat a little faster, making for a sexy statement, worn with either leggings or mini-skirts. But for those who prefer a tamer, ultra-feminine approach to comfy footwear, you'll be glad to know that ballet flats, which were such a strong trend in the 90s, are back in a big way. They're perfect for dressing up or down, always smart with jeans or pretty with a dress. All in all, I'm happy that I've hung on to some of my old shoes and boots because a lot of what's old is new again. But if you're looking for a real style lift this season, nothing will give it to you faster than a new pair of statement footwear. Time to let your fantasies fly, ladies, and put your best statement foot forward.